Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a Powermatic Model 87 20-inch bandsaw. Can be used for wood or metal. Comes with a welder. It is variable speed. Tires look to be in good condition. It has a tension guide. Miter gauge. I have a 1/2-inch metal blade in there right now. There's a high-low gearbox. Neutral and low. Have the back panel off. Has a ball door, 3 horsepower, 3-phase, 208 to 230 and 460-volt motor. Trunnion's in good condition, hasn't been cracked or repaired. So, in order to weld, you make sure that the lever's in the clamp position. Butt your ends up against each other. Lock it in. Set the tension. And hit weld. Loosen the blades up. Move it over to a neo. Reclamp. And then I'm going to hit the anneal button and kind of feather it. And that'll make sure it's not too brittle and breaks right away. Now we take it out and we grind the weld off on the welder. Thanks for looking.